all know what it is. It's a combo shop vac pressure washer. And those are not the right ones, I think. Cork. Oh, they are the right ones. What's going on here? Huh. Well, what a predicament. I'm thinking the screws are gone already. No. I don't know, I'm confused. That's not nice. That's what it is. Phillips. Hey, Phil. There's nothing in these holes. Somebody else has been ahead of me. It looks like it's been starting to take apart. What do we got under here? Anything? There. I know these hoses are pain in the butt. There. No more pain in my butt. The vacuum's over here and the pressure washer's over here. I can see through the bottom. I don't know what kind of screws they got in there. Cannot do it. Well, the hammer's going to be coming out pretty soon. Whatever these screws are. I don't know what they are. Yes, I do use a hammer when needed. Like I said, the power washer was laying in the one corner. Here's a vacuum. I don't need anything off of you. I do need the rest of you opened up. This is probably nothing but the air chamber for the vacuum. Yeah, the fresh air. So, nothing in there. I need these screws that didn't come apart up here. That cover off. That's why I like my straight claws. Everybody with their curved claws. Plastic's pretty tough. See a hidden screw. Oh, that's right in my face. That's why it's hidden. One screw. I'm fighting one screw. There it is. Here's the power center. And there's the switch. Double action switch. Gas control. Which way do you want to come out? This way? I don't care which way. As long as you come out. You just got to get the vacuum out. Wonder who thought this up, you know? Who had the brain fart? The vacuum with your power washer. Because it is a pretty decent idea, because when you go to a car wash or whatever, you vacuum your car out there, right? The hand car washes, you know, where you can power wash yourself. You go there, and they have vacuums there, so I understand the thought bubble on this. I myself would never think of buying one at home, because of it. I would never have thought of it. You know, but there ain't much to it. We have a power washer, we have a vacuum, all in one. There's a little pressure switch. It ain't gonna come apart on its own. Screws are rusty. This thing's been leaking water. Cool. One screw comes out. There we go. We get the little goodie out one way or the other. First you don't succeed, hammer, hammer again. There, got a nice little piece of brass off it too. That's what attached to hose. I don't know where the rest of the quick coupler is, but that's nice chunky brass. There's some wire. One vacuum motor. Are we copper? We can find out right now. Probably not. What do you think of them apples? Can you see in there? Where I scratched it, it's copper. So that's a bonus. What about you? Is your motor copper? You got the same motor. Look at that. It's the same motor. You get 2 for 2? Yeah, baby. 2 for 2. Look at that. Cool. Same motor on the vacuum as the power washer. Either the vacuum super strong or the power washer super weak. That's the question. So anyways, you know how these come apart. I'll take the motor out right now. I ain't gonna take this apart. Oh yeah. You're gonna play that game, are you? probably still won't come off because it stripped you. Yep, that's it. There we go. Voila. Nope, that ain't gonna come apart until I get the rest undone. Ooh, got some brassy bits there too. Cool. More brassy bits. Of course, be the oh, coming to get you. Uh-huh. The aluminum cooling motor fan. Well, it cools the motor, right? Oh, you're being stubborn, little puppy. Why? That little piece right there. You thinking? Yep. There we go. Yeah. Aluminum. Woo. Aluminum. Now, the screws will probably be under this. We got a nice brassy piece right here that's attached to the brushes. And like I said, yeah, the screws are underneath where the brushes sit, so we have to take them out anyways. Yes. Look at that, eh? Isn't that pretty nice? Look how big the holes are. That shouldn't be too hard to get apart. More plastic. So there's our pump. I'll take them apart later because it'll be oil filled. It doesn't have a drain. There's our motor, which is copper. We already checked. So that's good. Couple little trinkets here. Wire. Now let's see if we can get this cover off. Should just come right off. There it is. There, see? The motors are identical, which is amazing. Fans come off the same way. There's the fight with it too, I see. That little piece here, looks like it's crimped. Come on. Aluminum sheet. These fans are even the same size. Okay, same idea on this end. Well, the brush is already coming out. I need that separate from that. screws there too. So they use the same motors. That's why I didn't think this pressure washer was very tough. So I have to take him apart yet. You know, the turbo's in there, the aluminum. I do that in the garage. But that's, yeah, two beautiful copper motors. Rotor's the same. No, the pressure washer rotor was a little bit bigger. See? So there you have it. Woo! Okay, I figured since I started it, I might as well finish it, right? This will be the last part of it. Now you see the way these go, right? That's the turbos inside. That's the way you undo it. That lets you know which way the bolt's gonna undo, because it'll run the other way to keep the bolt tight. That is sheet aluminum, everybody knows that. And this part just comes right off. Just a big honking chunk of plastic, this one. So, we have a rotor. Boom. You can't argue with that, right? So there we have it. It's all done. Just like that. I'm just going to pick up my tin. So there you have to take apart of a shop vac vacuum. A vacuum power washer. Jeez, one of these days I'll get that right. You know? But hey, we're scoring good on copper motors anyways. Got 2 out of that one. That was a worthwhile pickup. I can deal with the plastic. So if you see one, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.